Right from the jump, this judge isn't wasting time. And neither should you, because what happens next becomes a masterclass in how probable cause can make or break a DWI case. Watch closely.
A year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On March 17th, 2025, an officer was dispatched to a call for service at the 400th block of West Gray Street, Houston, Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, the officer observed the defendant sitting inside his vehicle. The officer made contact with the defendant and observed the defendant to have bloodshot eyes, unsteady balance, and was confused. The defendant stated he didn't have anything to drink. A Houston Fire Department employee, the wheel witness, stated the defendant was asleep in the driver's side of the vehicle with his foot on the brake and the vehicle in drive. The wheel witness...
Those numbers? Yeah, that's over twice the legal limit. But here's the kicker. None of it matters if the location element isn't proven. Should being asleep at the wheel and drive count as operating a vehicle? Let me know what you think in the comments.
Stated he had a hard time waking up the defendant. SFSTs were conducted. 6 out of 6 clues were observed on the HGN. 5 out of 8 clues observed on the walk-in turn. 3 out of 4 clues observed on the one-leg stand. The DIC was read and the defendant consented to a breath test. The results were .179 and .175.
Where was he? Was he in the middle of the road?
It sounds like... Yeah, I don't... So it says that he was sitting inside...
This is where things fall apart for the prosecution. The judge needs specific facts, not guesses, about where the car was. Public road? Private lot? Domino's parking space? Without clarity, the law ties her hands.
Inside his vehicle on the 400th block of West Gray Street, which is accessible to the public. On a public road.
Don't, please. I have no idea what that is, where it is. Is he in the middle of the road? Is he in a parking lot? Is it Domino's Pizza? I mean,
It says it's on a public street. It says, well, more specifically, it says 400 block of West Gray Street. It's a public street.
I mean, I need more information. I mean, does it say he's in it?
There it is, the bomb drop. No probable cause. The entire case collapses in one sentence. High BAC, asleep and drive, bad FSTs, none of it survives missing location details. This is why airtight police reports matter.
Street there, or are you assuming?
No, I'm not assuming. I'm saying what it says is that the 400th block of West Gray Street is a public street. It doesn't say specifically.
Doesn't ask him if he's driving, none of that in there? I mean, really?
Yeah, he did have the vehicle in drive with his foot on the brake and was unconscious. But in regards to the location aspect of it, there's nothing further stated on that.
I'm sorry. I'm going to find no probable cause. I can't just go forward with assumptions here, you know?
Even after dismissing the case, the judge gives a heartfelt warning. No lectures, no scolding, just a reminder that one bad night can destroy lives. This is the rare moment where the courtroom feels more human than legal.
No? Mr. Cleary, be safe, man. You know, we have every single day. Look, this weekend, how many people died on the road here in Harris County? You know, really, be smart.
Thank you.
You know, you have but one life. Don't do something where you either ruin your life or, more importantly, ruin someone else's life. Okay?
I appreciate
Please
that.
take a seat for me, sir. I'm going to find no probable cause.
All right, Judge, next is case 4, Door, Adam.
So what do you think? Should the case have gone forward based on the evidence? Or did the judge make the right call by sticking strictly to the law? Drop your take below. This one's sure to spark debate.